Infection Prevention, PPE, Doffing and Disposal. In this lesson, you will learn how to carefully remove and dispose personal protective equipment or PPE. By the end of this lesson, you will learn how to prepare for doffing or removal and disposal of personal protective equipment or PPE, the steps involved in doffing and disposing PPE. Now, let us watch a video to learn about PPE, doffing and disposal.
Doffing or taking off the personal protective equipment must be done in the designated doffing area having red biomedical waste bins labeled separately for each type of PPE. There should be 2 chairs labeled as clean and dirty, preferably made of plastic or metal, which are easy to disinfect. It is very essential to perform each step with utmost care and slowly so as to not generate any aerosol. Perform the hand hygiene after each step. Take the help of the observer to check for any leaks or tear in the personal protective equipment. During the entire doffing procedure, the observer must not touch your PPE. Inspect your PPE for any gross contamination, which could be disinfected with the help of alcohol-based wipes. Disinfect your gloves with alcohol-based hand rub. It should be ideally dispensed from an automated system with the help of your buddy or by pressing the nozzle with your elbow to prevent any contamination. Sit on the dirty chair with legs apart. Remove the shoe covers by slowly pulling the outer surface, starting from the top, and then pull them from the toes end. Try not to cross over your legs while sitting. Discard them in the red bin. Disinfect the outer gloves. Next step is to remove the outer pair of gloves. Be careful so as to not tear or contaminate the inner glove. Pinch the first glove on the outer surface at the wrist and pull it inside out. Hold this glove in the other hand like a ball. Now slide your thumb inside the other glove and remove inside out, balling around the previous glove, making it into a single bag. Now disinfect the inner gloves. Loosen the face shield by adjusting the screw and remove by holding it from the back handle. Discard in the labeled bin. Now disinfect the inner gloves. First, slide back the hood by holding it from the top. Separate the zip flap and unzip the coverall suit. Holding the suit at the arms, slide it off the shoulders slightly. Then pull the suit from the side of the waist and roll your arms out one. By touching the inner surface of the suit, carefully roll out each leg. and discarded in the designated bin. Disinfect the inner gloves. Now carefully remove the inner pair of gloves as previously described. Perform hand hygiene by using the 6 steps of hand wash. Now wear a new pair of gloves before removing the mask. Do not touch the exposed surface of the mask. Stoop forward and first remove the lower strap. Then carefully remove the mask by pulling out the upper strap. Disinfect your gloves again. Using alcohol wipes, clean the outer surface of your shoes while sitting on a clean chair. Again, disinfect the gloves. Now remove the last pair of gloves. Perform hand hygiene again. Now you're ready to exit the doffing area. Wipe your shoes on a sodium hypochlorite soaked doormat at the exit.